In this video, I'm going to discuss about important levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming week. So before going into that, let's see how the market reacted for my last week analysis. And anyone who would have watched the analysis, it would have given some idea where they should long and where they should short. Okay, so if you guys are if it was helpful, kindly leave your comments below. And also, before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to give me a like and subscribe for my channel, so this will motivate me to come up with more ideas and I can give more information about various types of trading and strategies. Okay. Okay, this was the level which I have given on last week. So based on that, I have marked the supply on top and various demand zones at the bottom. So here you can see the dotted lines which I have marked. That was a minor support. That is the reason I have marked. And what has happened on 31st, market slightly gave up a gap up opening. It came down to the demand zone over here, and as I say in my every videos, those who are attended in my classes or those who know already about supply and demand zone, they might have taken their trade over here. And the trade which has taken here, it went all the way to, like, the rally started from a demand zone and it went all the way up at it ended at the supply, which I have marked here. Like, there was few points which it has got missed, and this is the actual level. So over here, what we can see, it exactly touched the supply. That is nothing but the next day when the candle opened on 1st August, it opened at supply. It gave a clear indication. It's almost like a evening star, which gave a clear sign of selling pressure. And what institutions will do before making any up move or down move, they accumulate. So what has happened on August 1st? There was a huge selling happened on 10:15 candle. After that, the market remained sideways. Okay, so if someone might have got idea about, like, since the price is at supply, one would have not go for a carry forward buy option in these levels. It's because market is near the supply and there's a huge reversal candle, and the market was totally on sideways on Tuesday. So I repeat again, institutions before making any huge up move or down move, they make this kind of consolidation. Consolidation is nothing but range bound market. So it range bounded over here, and the next day what has happened? Market has hugely gapped down. So what has happened? Whatever they have accumulated, they have gapped down, and they were continuously shorting, and the price went all the way down. And as I have said earlier, this was a minor supply. This dotted line was a minor supply. So the next day, when the market came down hugely, it broke it. And as per my two candle theory, this is the first breakdown candle, this is second. And after that, again, after the breakdown, and this is also a kind of doji candle. In lower time frame, it will be an accumulation over here. You can see here very clearly. Same what has happened here, the same thing happened here also. Market came down, sell off happened again, kind of sideways movement happened. This was the level, this was the range bound candle. It broke here heavily, and this is the second confirmation candle for the break, and again it went all the way down to the targets. When price came here to supply, it did not touch the supply, and at the end of the day, you can see this is 215. Market retraced back and it went to the supply zone. So this was the again update which I have given my Telegram channel. Fresh longs are advisable only if the candle closing is above 19,546. Okay, so as per that, the price came here, and again it rejected from here, and it gave a huge selling on the next day over here. So the selling was so heavy, it came down, it broke the demand zone. But what has happened again, there was not much strong selling happened here, and immediately there was a stop loss hunting happened in this strong demand zone. So I closed my positions almost over here and I did not go for any fresh short trades, and I was waiting for this scenario to happen. If you see in again 1 hour chart, so this was a breakdown of the demand zone. This is the confirmation, but as per the teaching, what I say, this was the confirmation candle. The price did not go below the confirmation candle. So that is the reason the sell did not continue. Even if it is crossed this low, even by point 0.5, 50 paise also, or 50 points also, the selling would have triggered and it might have gone down. But what has happened, the next candle, it closed above the breakdown candle, which invalidated the sell. And again, what happened next day? It is gap up. Okay, so this is on the last Friday scenario again, where minor sideways movement is happening, and my view remains same. So the few levels, it stays intact at this point. Demand zone I will remove. So as I have mentioned here, one can go for long only if the candle closes above 19546. Okay guys, this is the update for the upcoming week. We want the price to sustain above 19546. Like I need at least two candles to survive, or two candles to hold above this level for the market to go to next levels, which is nothing but 19728. Okay, so what I have mentioned here, it remains the same. If we want the trend reversal to happen, I need at least 2 30 minutes, or even if it is 2 1 hour candle, it is very much good enough. So as I say always, I will wait for a pullback to happen. So if two green candles comes like this, I may not go for aggressive buy. I will wait for the pullback to happen. Then I will aim for the target of 19728. And again, there's a huge sell happened over here. Even if huge buying is coming over this point, I will go for a short trade for sure at this point when the price touches 19728. Okay, why? Because I will go with calculated stop loss at this point, because there is a huge selling happen and it broke the previous low also. So the downtrend is continuing, and this is where the point huge selling has happened. So next time when the price comes up here, for sure there will be kind of rejection over this point. I'll be doing like maximum. I will initiate my sell over here, maintaining a stop loss of 19795.60, and again the last selling will last at 19867.55. So these are the important levels for Nifty at the moment. So I'm not bullish at the moment. I will be looking for sell opportunity tomorrow if the market opens. And this level, what I have mentioned, is nothing but only if the price sustains above this, then I'll be going for buying. If not, I will go for sell on Monday. Okay, keeping 19545.65 as my stop loss. And also it depends upon whether market gaps up or gap down. If it is a gap up, then this level will be invalidated, then I'll wait for the confirmation to go for long. And even if any kind of rejections comes in 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour, based on the candle setup forming, I'll be going for a short trade at this point. Okay, short days, short trade at this point. Depends upon how, what kind of move it happens. Either I might go for direct entry, or I will wait for retracement to happen, and this will be my first target. Okay, and since this is a gap up opened here, this is a minor support once again, minor support or a demand zone at this point. So only if the candle closes below this level, which is nothing but 19296. Okay, 19296. If the prices breach this level, there will be more kind of panic will happen, and the market will move to 19234, and these are the ranges down below: 19189 and 19076, 972. Okay, 18979. Okay, so these are the important levels on the downside. Okay, so this should be good enough at the moment. Okay, and any further down, the last stop it can be around 18873. Okay, so over here I'll be giving higher priority for 19189. Okay, these levels it can be a major intraday support or a demand zone: 19234, 19095, 18979, and finally 18873. And this can be a major support or a major demand zone at the point. Breaking down this level, then only market can go down further, but most probably it will not happen because this is the strongest rally which happened breaking above the previous all-time high. So this can be a major support at the point, and hope the market doesn't comes to this level. Okay, so these are the demand zones or the support at this point. So what I will do, I'll be even if there is a gap up or gap down, I'll be waiting for the price to come to this point. I will look for the price action, what type of candle it forms. I follow two candle theory, range bound breakout, higher high, higher low. So based on all these confirmations, I'll be going for my trade. Okay, so these are the demand zones or the support at the bottom, and at the same time, market, there is very less chances for the market to go quickly on the upside because huge amount of selling happened at this point, and again over here, and again over here. So market will be struggling to make a fresh all-time high at this point, but still the overall scenario or the overall market sentiment is bullish. And what are the move, what we see here is nothing but a pull back for the up move what we have seen recently. Okay, so what we see here, like there is a high possibility for the market even to come to this levels because this is the point where it broke the previous high and it is not tested. So there is a possibility for the market to come to 18877. It's a fancy number, and also it can see these are the major support. And if market breaches this level, then only the point it comes to 17,000, etc. Hope it doesn't come to the point. That is the if that is the scenario, this can be the last support. Okay, let's not go into this level. Currently, we'll be looking into our current week scenario. Okay, so this was the summary which I have given last week, which is nothing but So this was the summary which I have given last week, which is nothing but Nifty technically enter into another sideways area. To get another bullish move, Nifty should close above 19991.85, and to be temporary bearish, which will be a retracement as I have said once again. So for the market to go up, we need a strong closing above 19991.85. So it remains the same, and until then, market will be on a sell on rise market. And for the down move to continue, if it is closing below 19562.95, then market will be in bearish grip. So kindly have a look of these levels. These are the ranges for Nifty. Okay, let's go into Bank Nifty. So again, this is the summary which I have given in last week, which is nothing but market closed below previous demand zone decisively. Sell at proper supply rather than buy. Fresh buy is suggested only above 44,884. So what has happened on 31st? So since market has made a lower low at this point, I have mentioned the market is in bearish grip and to go for only sell. So that's what happened on 1st August. Market opened over here in a pure supply zone, which is nothing but over this area. Okay. So clear sign of rejection, same like Nifty, it came down, it continued, and this was again another confirmation candle for the selling. Market came up for a retracement, and this was a sideways zone for the whole day. The next day gap down. It is the same scenario as Nifty. Okay, that is the so there is not much changes over here. So keeping this point in view, let's go into what are the levels for upcoming week in Bank Nifty. So these levels stays intact at the moment. So these are the various levels for Bank Nifty. As I have said in my previous videos, Bank Nifty reacted well, very well as per the levels which I have given last week. So even the pattern over here in Bank Nifty also, it was same replica as Nifty. So I need not explain much over here and make you guys to sit over here. So kindly have a look how it reacted, and as I have given the summary for the last week, market closed below previous demand zone decisively, and I requested to sell at proper supply rather than buy. Fresh buy can be initiated only if you're getting a strong candle closing above 44,884, and it stays intact at the moment. Market moved exactly from supply to demand and it stopped. It has come up at the moment, and still bearish signs are. So at the moment, market is still bearish, and this bearishness is nothing but it is nothing but whatever we are seeing here. It is not a downtrend actually. It is just a pullback for the bullish move which has happened over here. So as per this, there is if the market breaches this level of 43,421, there is a high probability for the market to come to 40,100 levels. So don't be panic. It will not be a major sell or a bearish trend at the moment. Whatever we are seeing is only the pullback for the up move. Okay. So these are the various levels for Bank Nifty at the moment. There was a huge selling happened or initiated from here. That is why I have marked this as a major supply. And again over here, again this major sell happened from this point. So this is the reason why another major supply at these 2 points, because this is also selling. This is where the point the market broke the previous low, and from this is the point from where the gap down was initiated. So these two levels are the initiate supply, strong supply at this point. So I'll be making my sell orders at this point rather than buy, only if we are getting any strong candle closing above these levels. I'll be initiating my buy trades. If not, I'll be on sell. Okay. So these are the major levels for Bank Nifty at the moment. So kindly mark these levels. What I'll be doing, as I said, I follow two candle theory, supply and demand zone, range breakout, master candle theory, etc. So by following all these, like all this pattern doesn't come at the same time, but when it comes, it gives like high probability trade, and almost everywhere you can see this happens, and it is helping me a lot. And I teach the same thing to my viewers or my students in my classes. So if anyone is interested, you can reach me in my Telegram channel or in the comment section below. So I request you guys to kindly like and subscribe my channel. This will motivate me to come up with more important strategies and videos that will be helpful for you guys on a longer run. So thank you for watching. Bye.